Hi, thanks for checking my Fiverr gig. If you're struggling with annoying bugs on your app that are impacting performance and ratings, you have come to the right place. I'm Ale. I'm an Android developer with over 6 years of experience in building Android native apps. In my career, I worked on a wide range of different apps, from travel to finance to e-learning, apps for businesses, apps for customers, and more. I have the expertise to help you fixing the problems with your application. I can help you with many different types of issues, from crashes to performance optimizations, database issues, API issues, UI issues, upgrading to the latest Android SDK version, and many more. I am committed to deliver a high quality of work so that your users can get the most out of your app, and the downloads and the ratings will increase. So if you're interested, then let's get in contact and let's start to work together. Thank you.